Hey there, welcome to another video. Before we start, if you find value in our videos, please share them with your friends. It's a big help. Now let's begin. And if you're over 75, well, that number jumps to nearly 90%. It's a medical term for having 6 or more urination episodes during the day, specifically waking up 2 or more times at night. And if that's you, I want you to know you're not alone. You're also not powerless. I'm here, a geriatrician. I'm a doctor specializing in the unique health challenges and triumphs of amazing people like you, adults aged 50 plus. This type of nighttime urination is usually caused by lifestyle habits, dietary mistakes, or easily treatable conditions. These aren't generic tips you read online. They're based on my experience treating hundreds of seniors, helping them overcome similar challenges and reclaim their nighttime rest. Who want a girl, enjoy a nice cup of tea and a bedtime snack without having to think about pee. They're the MVPs of modern medicine, but they can also become your sleep nemesis if you don't pay attention. This one might seem counterintuitive, but trust me, it's a game changer. That's because when you sit, fluid tends to pool in your lower legs. And when you lie down, bam, it rushes back into your bloodstream and your kidneys spring into action to filter it out. So you might find yourself up in the middle of the night. The solution? Move more. Try standing up for a few minutes every hour, even if it's just pacing around your living room or doing some gentle stretches. You'll be amazed at how much it helps. When you don't drink enough water throughout the day, your body tries to compensate by concentrating your urine. We've all been conditioned to ignore our bladder's whispers until it becomes a nighttime roar. Are you ready to take the next step towards better, more restful sleep? I know you are. Now watch this video where I revealed 12 surprising signs that your body is telling you to cut salt. It's packed with eye-opening insights and actionable advice that can transform your health and well-being. Don't wait. Click here to watch now. But here's the issue. When you hold it too long, your bladder loses its ability to communicate effectively with your brain, setting the stage for those pesky midnight trips. So make it a point to answer your bladder's call every 2 to 3 hours during the day. That way, it stays strong and your nighttime sleep remains undisturbed. And you guessed it, more concentrated urine means more trips to the bathroom at night. Plus, it can irritate your bladder, making it harder to hold it. The fix? Drink up front load. Most of your water intake between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. Then gradually dial it down in the evening to avoid those midnight bathroom dashes. You see, some medications like diuretics, commonly used for high blood pressure or heart conditions, send your kidneys into a frenzy, making you run to the bathroom, especially during the night. Imagine taking a diuretic in the afternoon and then lying down for bed. It's like pouring gasoline on a fire. Your kidneys go into turbo mode, forcing you to wake up and pee. The solution? Ask your doctor to move your diuretic to an earlier time in the day. It's as simple as that. Hear me out. Certain foods, especially salty ones, can trigger a mini urination frenzy. That's because salt makes your kidneys work overtime to get rid of it. And the more they work, the more likely you are to get interrupted during your sleep. Plus, it's not just about the salt. Sugary treats and caffeine can also put your kidneys into overdrive. The best part? Swapping out those pesky snacks for something healthier can make a world of difference. For instance, a handful of walnuts or cucumber slices contain natural diuretics that can help your body release excess sodium and water earlier in the day, giving your bladder a breather during the night. And remember, portion control matters. Just a few slices of bread with some peanut butter and honey can set off a nighttime urination alarm. So consider switching to a bedtime snack that packs less punch, like a cup of Greek yogurt or a bowl of oatmeal. So whether you're here out of curiosity or you're ready to make a change, stick around. You're about to discover how to turn those restless nights into restful ones. Let's get started. And the good news is, it's reversible. If you fall into the 80%, you don't have to just accept these middle-of-the-night disruptions. You can take action. You can make positive changes that transform your sleeping habits and free you from these unwanted interruptions. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I know which tips will actually work? Well, worry not. I've got you covered. Think of me as your guide to thriving at every age. Here's the inside scoop on what you'll get when you subscribe to Health Hackers. Every week, I'll drop fresh insights on how to stay strong, sharp, and sassy as you navigate life's twists and turns. Plus, I'll spill the beans on the latest health hacks and breakthroughs that you may not hear about otherwise. From food fixes and fitness tips to mental marvels and tech tools. I'll show you what works and what doesn't when it comes to keeping healthy and happy. Plus, we'll bust through the myths and misconceptions that often get in the way of your well-being. Remember, being over 50 is not a setback. It's a new chapter. Join us and make it your best one yet. Hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant community of folks who refuse to settle for anything less than a life that's healthy, joyful, and full of possibilities. It's our mission to empower you to make positive changes that can transform your life. Let's embark on this journey together. But to take charge, you need to understand why it happens. We all produce less of a sleep-inducing hormone called Vasopressin as we age, which means we naturally make more trips to the bathroom at night. But that doesn't mean you have to accept all of those extra bathroom breaks. Not by a long shot. Now, I get it. Waking up at night seems like an unavoidable part of growing older. We chuckle about it, maybe write it off as just another quirk of getting old, something you have to deal with, accept, and move on. Maybe you even here because you were Googling, is it normal to wake up to pee 3 times a night? But what if I told you this? What if I told you that there's a way to cut those midnight bathroom trips by half, maybe more? What if I told you that you could wake up feeling refreshed, energized, ready to tackle the day instead of dreading the coffee pot? Well, that's no pipe dream. It's science-backed, research-based reality. And it starts with understanding a very important word: nocturia. Did you know that over 70% of people over 60 wake up at least once a night to pee? Nocturia literally means night peeing. It's more than a mouthful. There are 2 types of nocturia. One is about having too much fluid in your system. Think of it like your car's gas tank. If you keep filling it up before a long road trip, you'll need to stop for gas more often. Same thing with your bladder. The more fluid it holds, the more it has to empty. And the other type of nocturia comes down to your body's poor fluid control. It's like turning on a leaky faucet overnight. Your kidneys are working overtime, filtering and producing urine even when you're asleep. Either way, the result is the same. You're remaking more nighttime trips to the bathroom than you want to. And guess what? It's completely fixable. Now, while some aging-related bathroom habits are unavoidable, did you know that a whopping 80% of people who wake up at night to pee do so because of something called functional nocturia? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 5 common mistakes that silently sabotage your sleep and give you actionable steps to fix them. Mistake No. 1. Eating the wrong foods after 6 p.m. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mistake number 2. Taking medications at the wrong time. Medications. Mistake 3. Drinking too little water during the day. Mistake number 4. Sitting too much. Sitting for long periods during the day can wreak havoc on your fluid levels, increasing the chances of nighttime urination. Mistake number 5. Ignoring bladder signals during the day. Hold it. Stop right there. So there you have it, 5 key mistakes that could be sabotaging your sleep.